So, just met a gentleman out here fishing, and got me a subscriber, which is awesome. You end up watching this, I appreciate that very, very much, and I hope your fishing trip went really well. And I'm going to do a VR for MI Woodsman, cleaning up some trash, picking it up. Does this yearly, every year, and we'll just kind of hike through and see what we find, and let you guys kind of see some of the plant life and stuff that I encounter over here all the time. All right, John, here's the first piece of trash, buddy. Seems like my poker stick doesn't want to poke. It's all right. A little bit different vegetation. I don't think my stick's gonna work, so somebody's wet tobacco bag. Anybody want to grab a handful of this? I know you guys will love it. Seems like there's like a nice little poem that goes with that. What was it? Leaves a 3, let it be. Could that be it? I don't know. You guys tell me. All kinds of vines growing up. So you can tell there, John, it's been there a little while. We'll go ahead and grab it anyway, as much as we can today. John did this last year, for those that don't know, and I participated as well. It's not a bad idea at all to go ahead and get out there and do it. I don't know how much you'll be able to see in there.